And looking at COVID-19 tonight, cases are up from this time last month statewide and locally. Hospitalizations, though, did stay low. ABC 17's Hannah Falcon looked into what the latest COVID numbers are in mid-Missouri. And Hannah, how does this month compare to last month in terms of COVID cases?
So, Deb, what we see here is that we are far below the peak in January, but recently cases have started to climb. And when we look closer at the past month, we see that we're on an average about 10 to 15 more cases a day than we were this time last month.
Cases have been increasing in general in several states.
Infectious disease Dr. Christian Rojas with University of Missouri Healthcare says COVID cases are rising from the past few months. This month, University Hospital is averaging 22 positive tests a day. That's compared to 12 positive tests a day in April. Currently, there are 3 patients hospitalized with COVID and 1 in the ICU.
There's always a risk of another wave, a new variant coming up.
Health experts still recommend vaccines for defense against the virus. CDC is recommending anyone who has not gotten a booster since December to get one. But there is still an emphasis on the need for people with weak immune systems to get boosted. The agency recently approved booster vaccines for children 5 to 11 years old, but the population catching COVID the most often are people between 25 and 44 years old, according to the Department of Health and Senior Services.
It's always a good idea to be cautious, especially for those who are immunocompromised, have lower immune systems, or patients who have comorbidities, things like that, and especially those who have not had the vaccine.
And the CDC is saying a booster vaccine might be critical come this fall. The agency is asking people to consider how likely they are to get severely sick when weighing whether or not to get another booster vaccine. Reporting live from the newsroom, I'm Hannah Falcon, ABC 17 News.
The most prominent variant statewide is the BA2 variant. That accounts for more than 90% of the cases in Missouri. That's all according to the state health department.